Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to join private Threads channel via QR code. So as we all know, you can join any Threads channel if it's public, but if it's private you just need to have the passcode, or you need to have the private to have the QR code to scan it, and then you can get through it. So how you can do that? You just need to open up Threads app, and once you're in the app, I want you to go into that channel, that private channel that you want to get through, and you can have it right here, for example, or you can just go to the search tool right here and tap on it, and you can look for the channel. And also you can get the channel from, or the QR code from, a friend that's already on this channel or and this private channel. Anyways, let's just get into any channel. For example, let's go into that one. Alright, so right here, as you can see, there is the 3 points on the top right corner. Tap on them, and right here, after we tapped on this 3 points, as you can see, there are multiple options right here. Either you can mute, block, report, etc. But we are looking for the QR code, so by tapping on QR code, a QR code appears right here. So by using the camera of your device, or any other app of the QR of the scanner QR code, you can get through that channel. Anyways guys, this is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe it, and share the video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.